You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases from French used in ballet dancing, mainly if you want to learn more terms from ballet, all the positions and postures and gestures. Make sure to stay tuned, we've got them all here. This literally means round of legs, okay? Or round of leg, sorry. Rond is French for round, rond, with a silent D. Rond de jambe, jambe. Okay, I know it's a bit of a mouthful for English speakers. French pronunciation is rond de jambe, rond de jambe. In English, you can say it as rond de jambe, rond de jambe. Some may say it as rond de jambe. No, rond de jambe. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.